Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today I'm going to compare Brevo and Klaviyo, two powerful email and SMS marketing platforms that businesses rely on for automation, personalization, and customer engagement. I'll break down their features, user experience, integrations, analytics, and of course, pricing. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform fits your marketing goals. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link below. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything that you need to know to master that platform step by step. Now let's get started. First off, let's start with an overview. Brevo, formerly Sendinblue, is an all-in-one marketing suite built for businesses that want email, SMS, WhatsApp, CRM, automation, and segmentation tools all in one place. It focuses on giving you multi-channel marketing capabilities without making things overly complicated. Now, on the other hand, Klaviyo is a data-driven personalization platform that is extremely popular with e-commerce brands. It's built to help online stores send highly targeted messages using customer behavior, purchase history, and advanced segmentation. Now, features. Brevo comes packed with email marketing, SMS, chat, WhatsApp, campaigns, forms, and a full built-in CRM that makes tracking customer interactions seamless. The automation builder is easy to use and lets you create flows for welcome sequences, abandoned carts, and buyer journeys. Brevo also includes AI-assisted content generation, A/B testing, send time optimization, and strong deliverability tools that make it ideal for growing businesses. Now, Klaviyo, on the other hand, is known for its deep personalization. You get detailed customer profiles based on real-time data, predictive analytics for customer lifetime value and purchase behavior, and some of the most granular segmentation tools in the industry. Klaviyo's automation flows are powerful, especially for e-commerce stores using Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Next up, let's look at the user experience. Brevo's dashboard is simple, clean, and beginner-friendly. Even with all of its features, it remains accessible for small and mid-sized teams. Klaviyo has a modern interface, but feels a bit more technical. It's designed for marketers who understand data and want advanced control over audience segmentation. But once you get the hang of it, the workflow actually becomes quite intuitive, and beginners, though, might need a little time to adjust. Now let's talk about integrations. Brevo connects smoothly with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress, Stripe, Zapier, and more. It offers everything that most small businesses need without overwhelming you. Klaviyo also integrates with over 300 tools, especially e-commerce platforms, fulfillment services, and payment gateways. If your store runs on Shopify, Klaviyo offers some of the deepest native integrations and event tracking available. And then finally, the numbers. Let's talk about pricing. Brevo's pricing tiers include the starter plan at $9 per month, standard is $18 per month, and the professional plan is $499 per month. Now, their enterprise plan, for that, you'll need to contact sales because it has custom pricing. Klaviyo's email plus mobile messages plan starts at $60 per month. The email only plan starts at $45 per month, and the free plan costs $0 per month with limits on contacts and monthly sends. So which one should you choose? If you want an affordable multi-channel platform with built-in CRM, SMS, WhatsApp, automation, and an easy learning curve, Brevo is the better choice. It's ideal for service-based businesses, agencies, and small to mid-sized e-commerce stores. But if your business is heavily e-commerce focused and you want advanced segmentation, predictive analytics, and deep data personalization, Klaviyo is a great choice. Don't forget, if you want to get started with Brevo, make sure to use the link below. It gives you 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months and unlocks a full Brevo course that teaches you how to use the platform. All right, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the comparison, make sure to like and subscribe as always. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.